Welcome to Tool Tactics, where founders, solopreneurs, and startup teams find the smartest tools to build faster and scale smarter. Starting a company in 2025 is easier than ever, but building a successful one, that still takes vision, execution, and the right tools. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 essential tools every startup founder should know. Tools that save time, boost focus, improve team collaboration, and help you look professional from day one. Let's jump in. Section 1. Why the right tools matter for startup founders. As a founder, your job isn't just building a product, it's also communicating the vision, aligning the team, closing deals, raising money, hiring talent, shipping work, learning constantly. The right tools don't just save time, they create clarity. They help you delegate, collaborate, and operate like a team twice your size. And here's the key. You don't need 25 tools. You need 5 or 6 great ones that scale with you. Let's explore exactly which tools make that list. Tool number 1, Notion, your startup's operating system. First up is Notion, the all-in-one workspace that has quietly become the go-to tool for modern startups. At its core, Notion is a modular system where you can build internal wikis, product roadmaps, meeting notes, investor updates, hiring pipelines, marketing calendars, SOPs, OKRs, and team dashboards. It's drag and drop, highly customizable, and ideal for async teams. Why founders love it? It replaces Google Docs, Trello, and even parts of Slack. You can give investors or advisors access to specific pages. It creates transparency across your team. It helps you scale your processes as you grow. You don't need to be a designer or an engineer to use Notion. Start with templates, adapt them as your company evolves, and soon you'll have a centralized system for everything. Best of all, it's free for small teams. Tool number 2, Figma. Fast, collaborative product design. No matter what you're building, an app, a website, a dashboard, you need a way to design fast and collaborate clearly. Figma is the gold standard for modern product design. Why it matters? It's browser-based. No downloads, real-time collaboration, like Google Docs commenting, version history, and feedback, built-in templates and design systems to move faster. Works for wireframes, UI, pitch decks, and branding with Figma. Your designer can build, your developer can inspect, and your marketer can leave feedback, all in one file. It's perfect for early teams who need to move fast, stay aligned, and avoid miscommunication. And yes, the free plan supports up to 3 Figma files and unlimited collaborators. Tool number 3, Slack, communication that scales with your team. Tool number 3 is one you've probably heard of, but it's still a must-have: Slack. Slack isn't just a chat app, it's your team's command center. You can organize conversations into channels, integrate with tools like Notion, Figma, and GitHub, set reminders, run polls, and share files. Automate daily stand-ups. Use Slack Connect to collaborate with freelancers or partners. More importantly, Slack lets you replace endless email threads with real-time discussion or async check-ins when needed. Pro tip: create channels for #product, #customers, #bugs, and #random. Keep it clean and organized from the start. Slack's free plan works well for small teams with 90-day message history and 10 integrations. Tool number 4, ClickUp, project management for execution-focused teams. If Notion is your system and Slack is your communication, ClickUp is your engine of execution. ClickUp lets you manage tasks and sprints, track deliverables, assign responsibilities, monitor deadlines, automate recurring work, visualize projects in lists, boards, timelines, and dashboards. It combines the best of Asana, Trello, and Jira, but with more flexibility. Why startup founders love it? Everything is customizable. You can track goals and KPIs directly. It works for cross-functional teams. You can build workflows for dev, ops, and marketing. In one place, the free plan gives you all the basics, and the paid plan is still affordable as you scale. If you want your team to actually ship what they plan, ClickUp is the tool to make it happen. Tool number 5, AirTable, a smarter spreadsheet for ops and data. Last but definitely not least in part 1, AirTable. Think of AirTable as a spreadsheet with superpowers. It looks like Excel, but acts like a database. Founders use it for lead tracking, hiring pipelines, CRM and contact management, feedback databases, asset tracking, investor management, and much more. Why AirTable rocks? Beautiful interface, multiple views, table, Kanban, calendar, gallery-linked records for relational data, great templates, integrations and automation via Zapier or Make. If you need something more structured than a spreadsheet but don't want to code, AirTable is your new best friend. Tool add-on, Chat GPT, your AI assistant for thinking, writing, building. Let's talk about your new virtual co-founder, Chat GPT. Whether you're building an MVP, pitching to investors, writing copy, or brainstorming features, Chat GPT can help. Here's how founders use it. Summarize customer interviews, draft investor emails, generate cold outreach templates, translate product features into benefits, brainstorm product names or taglines, validate personas and user pain points, draft PRDs and wireframe outlines. Need a quick script for a landing page? A list of growth hacks for B2B SaaS? Or a Python snippet to filter leads? Chat GPT is there, 24/7. Used wisely, it doesn't just save time, it supercharges your creativity and cuts through blockers. Tool, add-on, pitch, modern presentations for modern startups. If you're raising capital, updating your team, or presenting at a demo day, you'll need beautiful, fast, and flexible decks. That's where Pitch comes in. Pitch combines the simplicity of Google Slides with the design power of Keynote, and it's made for collaboration. You get beautiful templates for pitch decks, reports, and product overviews, real-time editing with your co-founders, chart integration from spreadsheets, embedded videos, or Figma prototypes, analytics to track investor engagement. Pitch helps you look legit, even if your team is still working out of a co-working space and your runway's getting tight. Section, automation with Zapier and Make. As a founder, every minute you save on admin is a minute you can spend on strategy, sales, or product. Tools like Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, help you connect all the apps we've talked about and automate repetitive work. Popular automations: new Typeform submission, create Airtable record plus Slack notification, new ClickUp task, notify assignee in Slack new Stripe payment, add client to Notion plus, send welcome email, new Calendly meeting, create task in ClickUp, no code required, just logic and creativity. Start with 3 to 5 key automations to handle boring stuff and free up mental energy for the real work. Section, tool combos that scale with you. Let's look at high-impact tool combos based on startup stage, pre-seed, idea stage Notion, docs and roadmap, Figma, MVP design, Chat GPT, copy and concepts, Slack, if more than one founder, yellow seed stage / early team ad, ClickUp, project tracking, Airtable, CRM or lead tracking, Zapier, automation basics, Orange Series A and beyond, advanced automations, dedicated dashboards, data layers and analytics tools, integrations across product plus ops. The goal isn't just more tools, it's a stack that works together. Tools should amplify each other, not create noise. Section, mobile access and remote work. Modern founders don't work from just one place, and neither should your tools. Here's what's mobile-friendly and powerful. Notion, mobile optimized for quick reference, Slack. Native app for chats and notifications, ClickUp. Full task views and updates. Figma, mobile preview mode. Airtable, record updates, views, pitch, deck browsing and editing. Chat GPT. Ask, write, refine on the go. You can literally run your startup from your phone, whether you're on a plane, in a co-working space, or walking the dog. Section, budget-friendly breakdown. Let's talk costs, because runway is sacred. Here's what the core stack might cost monthly as of 2025. Tool, free plan, paid plan. Start notes, Notion checkmark $8 per user per month. Free plan ideal for solo or small team. Slack, $7.25 per user per month. Free tier lasts long for tiny teams. Figma $12 per editor per month. Only pay when team grows. ClickUp $7 per user per month. Free covers most functions. Airtable $10 per user per month. Worth it if you use automations. Pitch $8 per user per month. Stay on free unless full team collab. Chat GPT $20 per month. Plus, optional but powerful boost. You can run your entire startup stack for under $60 a month. Less than dinner for two in most cities. Final section. What great founders do with great tools. The best founders don't just collect tools, they build systems. They use Notion to replace documents, wikis, and onboarding. Use ClickUp to align execution across teams. Use Slack to centralize communication. Use Airtable to track everything from investors to features. Use Figma to prototype and test ideas. Use ChatGPT to move faster with writing, thinking, and solving. And they automate ruthlessly. Because time is the one thing they can't raise more of. You don't need more hustle, you need smarter leverage. The right tools give you that. Thanks for watching Tool Tactics, where founders find the tools to think sharper and build smarter. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, comment below. What's your favorite startup tool? Which one will you test this week? See you in the next one. And until then, build fast, stay lean, and work smarter.